15-16 Upper Deck Series 1 retail for Matthew. Good luck.
Hi, this is Kevin. I've got 5 rookies here. You tell me which one you want prices on, and I'll look them up. I have a Flair Showcase rookie, a Playoff Prestige Hobby Edition rookie, a Fleer Brilliance rookie, a Bowman rookie, and a Score rookie. Brilliance. Alright. Let me put the phone down for a second. I'll be right back with you.
Come on, McDavid. Matthew, how is it in Maine, man? I grew up in the Freeport area. I was born in the South, but I grew up right around Freeport, so I'm fairly familiar with that area.
Okay, that's fine. Yeah, just remind us when you walk through the door, because I promise you I will not remember. Okay. Alright, thank you. Bye.
Yeah. Sonia and I love that area. Just not the winter, to be honest. I've been to all 50 states and a bunch of countries, and obviously I'm biased because I grew up there, but the run from Brunswick, the run from Brunswick up to Acadia, I think is some of the most beautiful areas of the country.
Okay.
I don't know if that...
L-O-V?
Yeah, Burning Love.
Okay.
They got goofy names.
I just checking.
Colton Periaco, Young Guns.
And I'm guessing that comes with like a side or something.
Yeah.
Usually fries, I'm guessing.
There are all different kinds of. Give me just a minute, and.
Oh, they have other stuff?
Yeah, like usually there are different types of fries you can get.
Dubinsky.
Okay, well.
And or like unending broccoli or unending fries or.
Let's see.
Galiev.
Oh, zucchini fries.
Crosby canvas. Nice bonus there.
I love zucchini.
Max Domi, Young Gun. Snow and Ice, yep. Jonathan Tays. There it is! I thought we were in the right sequence. Congrats, man. Connor McDavid, Young Guns. There you go. Looks to be in beautiful shape, too. I wasn't sure of the sequence, but I thought we were in the right one.
And by the way, if you're adding stuff up and they're like dollar cards, I'll still take dollar cards.
Oh, yeah?
Eventually, I'm gonna open it up to kids. So it's just, you know.
Clark MacArthur.
We'll get together on this in a day or two. And I didn't. Everybody else was trying to rip me off, man. I think, and they knew it too, because I was showing. I'm like, look, this is the card. They're like, yeah, we'll do 20% of that. I was like, you're like the first person.
Medvedev.
Reasonable as far as. I mean, I expect everybody to make a little money. You know what I mean?
Right.
But a lot of people don't care if you make any or not.
I'd rather just be straight up front and
stop.
You know.
I found where I'm at right here. Let me show you.
Ronald's Cannons.
46. Make sure I got 46 cards here. And they're all in great condition.
Patrick Kane. And Pavelec jersey. Congrats, man. Thank you very much.